Mr. John Russell. Russell. So MJ for three. No good. Rebound by Mr. Dante. Mr. Dante. Oy! Tricks na.
Ay!
Oh, good.
Oh my God.
Joseph.
mo!
Joseph now. Pass and foul. Call for three. No good. Rebound by Dante. Dante fix. No good again. Rebound by Conway. Kick out to John Russell. John Russell.
Wow! Galing na, ha?
Mr. John Martin. John Martin.
Ganda ng tira nun, ha?
Last touch. Gray. Time remaining 3 minutes 40 seconds. Score 12-6 in favor of Reading. Substitution left. Mr. Lanawi, Dante out. John Russell, take it. What?
Foul.
Foul by Mr. Carl Tumayuga. First team foul. Jamo. Kick out to John Russell. Mr. John Russell to John Way again. John Way. Superballs. John Way. Let's go. 12 Way in favor of Creighton. Pitch. Offensive foul. Joseph. Number 7, offensive foul. 2 personal fouls, Mr. Joseph Badao.
Nako.
Ano ba natin? Sorry, first personal foul na, first. Sorry, my bad. Rasul. Pass to Jemo, flex. No good, rebound by Basta. Who's foul left?
Gatang!
Number 9, Abel. Second team foul.
Hindi, kalaban.
Lorogo, first personal foul. Pass is good for Buster de Palm. Second row. Secure. Score 10-12 in favor of Grade 2.
Oh, nahabol na.
1 minute 23 seconds. Mr. Bedell, spins. Pass to Bedell again. Bedell, okay. Stolen to Joseph.
Ay, na.
2 points, Mr. Joseph Bedell.
Magaling yun.
Stolen again by Joseph. Kick out to Denzel. Oh.
Trabe.
Traveling violation. Time remaining 50 seconds. 50 seconds for the first quarter. John Way shoots. No good. Rebound by MJ. Shoots again. No good. Rebound by Nadal. Pass the ball. Foul on Mr. John Russell. Bonus free throw. No, sorry. 2 free throws for Carl Tumayuga. 10-14. Bogo. Last throw. Time remaining 6 seconds and 6 seconds. As soon as this ball goes, time will start. 5, 4, 3,
para straight sana.